Hey everybody, it's Mark and Mickey Newman, and today we're in Gilbert, where we'd love to introduce you to a home that really stands out.
Beautifully maintained and impeccably cared for, this home truly shows like a model.
With 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and an amazing backyard, this home has it all. Let's go take a look.
As you walk through the home, one thing becomes immediately apparent. It's not just updated, it's a home that's been lovingly cared for. Everything in its place, every space has been meticulously maintained, and it shows. This pride in ownership is something we don't see every day, and it's one of the reasons this home truly stands apart.
The open floor plan creates a comfortable flow for daily living or entertaining with friends and family. This kitchen is beautiful. It's one of my favorite spaces in the home. The spacious primary suite offers a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. The remodeled bathroom features a beautiful walk-in shower and updated finishes that create a relaxing spa-like feel.
Step outside and you'll discover another reason this home is so special. The sparkling pool, extended patio, and built-in barbecue create an outdoor living space that's perfect for entertaining or relaxing. It's the kind of backyard you'll use year-round. And as impressive as this home is, it's the location that's just as appealing. You're only minutes from Downtown Gilbert, Restaurant Row, SanTan Village Marketplace, excellent schools, parks, and convenient access to Loop 202 and US 60.
Like to schedule a private tour? Just reach out. We'd love to show you around.
Until next time, friends.